Imagine this. In the blink of an eye, sensitive information, financial assets, and even your personal data could be at risk. In today's digital world, cybersecurity isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a student, or a professional, understanding cybersecurity is crucial for everyone. So be ready to dive into the fascinating world of cybersecurity. So what exactly is cybersecurity? In simple terms, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. It's like a digital shield that keeps malicious hackers at bay, safeguarding everything from personal data on our phones to massive corporate networks. Cybersecurity encompasses a broad range of measures to prevent unauthorized access, data breaches, identity theft, and cyber threats. Essentially, it's the frontline defense in our digital lives. Now let's break down some key points everyone should know about cybersecurity. 1. Network security. This is about protecting the integrity of your computer network. Think of firewalls and VPNs. 2. Information security. It focuses on protecting data, both in storage and transit. 3. Application security. Safeguards apps from threats during and after development, ensuring they stay secure as they evolve. 4. Cloud security. With so much data on the cloud, this is all about protecting data stored online. 5. Endpoint security. From your mobile devices to your laptops, endpoint security protects every device connected to your network. 6. Identity and access management, IAM, ensures that only authorized people have access to specific data. Understanding these types is a great first step. Each plays a unique role in a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy. If you're interested in joining this fast-paced field, cybersecurity offers some amazing career opportunities. From ethical hacking to cybersecurity analysis, there's a wide range of roles waiting for skilled professionals. Key steps to start your career. Get educated. A strong foundation in IT, networking, or computer science is a great starting point. Get certified. Industry certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker CEH, and CISSP are highly valued. Gain practical experience. Internships, hands-on labs, or project work can make your resume stand out. Stay updated. Cybersecurity is ever evolving, so make continuous learning a priority. And here's where NetTech India comes in. At NetTech India, we offer a cybersecurity course that not only equips you with the theoretical knowledge, but also hands-on practical skills. Plus, we offer great placement support so you can start your career with confidence. In the digital age, cybersecurity isn't just a career option, it's a responsibility.
With great power comes great responsibility.
So if you're ready to secure the digital world and make a real impact, NetTech India is here to guide you every step of the way. Visit our website, nettechindia.com, to learn more and join our cybersecurity course today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insights into tech and career growth. See you in the next video.